we just got this from Hobby Lobby, right? Which one are we gonna choose?
Let me get the candy. The popsicle or the cupcake or the candy or the cup or the ice cream.
So many to choose from.
But first, get the potato. Guys, just open all of these. That way you can choose.
Yeah, that way it'd be easier to choose, right?
Yeah. All of these feel so soft.
Which one are you gonna choose first?
I think I would do this one.
You gonna copy this?
Yeah. God, I like copying that. How do you raise them out? Like I have no clue.
Let's go. Wait.
Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Look at paint on me. Look at paint on me.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
You wanna copy it like that?
Yeah.
Or are you gonna do your own?
I'm gonna do my own.
Okay.
Need some more red.
Don't you think that's too much red?
No. Inside.
Let me see. Oh, man.
That's too much brown.
Yeah, that's too much brown. Go all the way down. All the way down. You gotta do your red again. Then we have the color all the way down. Yeah. Do your red again. Is that ice cream?
Yeah.
Do your red again. Because you got color all the way down. All around too. All around. Like right here. Sorry.
Okay, now what's up that?
No, we still haven't finished around it.
Yes, I have.
Oh, yeah, let me see. Let me see. Move. Move it to the side, see? You don't need any more paint. To the
I
side.
just get a little bit of paint.
And go
I need
around.
to
Yeah.
turn it around.
Turn it around.
What's your paintbrush? Of course.
You got a white spot right there.
Now I need some. Let me get my brush.
So
Okay.
how do you do the black eyes?
No.
Very, very little.
Oops.
That's good.
So it's like a girl. So one is a girl and one is a boy.
Mm-hmm.
Oops, I kind of messed that up.
It's okay. You want to paper to wipe it?
Now I have paper. No, paper away. I have to fix that.
Not too much. It's too much. Okay, okay. You just use from this.
It's a girl. Okay? It's not a boy. It's a girl.
It's a girl.
Why do we have hair on his mouth?
Well, you could use the red. You could use the red, like that, and then just cover it up.
Look, there's that candy. So let's wait till this dry. So I'm gonna copy it.
You want to copy it?
Yeah. So first is the green. Kind of need my blue.
You gotta get all the white too. You see it? It's right at the line. The color printer. Keep going. You still have a little white right here. At the top. At the top. Keep going at the top. Right here.
Looks so good.
What else? Pink.
Oh, I have to wipe this. So is this the red or pink?
I think that's the right one.
I need a lot of pink.
Go around. I see it too, look. It has a line. You see the line right here? You see it? The line right here?
Oh, that is a light pink.
No, that's right. It's the same right here. We've got the color in
Yeah,
there.
but that is a light pink. But it has no light pink.
It's the same thing.
It's a very looking there. So let's wait till this body.
Yeah? Okay.
Where's that put this?
Move it. To the next one.
That's the ice cream. Are we almost done?
You almost done? Okay.
Yeah, because
Which one are we doing next? It's the ice cream.
Yeah.
You should keep the red and do the cherry. Where's the cherry at?
It's here. I need it.
Oh, that's too much. Put some away. No, right in there, right here. No, do like that. Like this. Take some paint off. Okay.
Don't interrupt.
That's gonna be a beautiful cherry. No, you're not finished. You still have this side. Just a little bit. Yeah, right there. Oh, you're making it bleed.
It's spilling.
Mm-hmm.
That cherry is squished.
Mm-hmm.
Just like a banana when I was little.
Oh my god, you're gonna talk about banana again. What else? So we have to keep it white.
Huh.
And you have to color the spots. And color the brown for this. The cone.
Brown.
Hold on to it.
I think I need some more brown.
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm doing on this side.
Are you?
Yeah. Okay, I'm done with the side.
Okay. You could use white. And then you do the sprinkles later.
Okay.
Or you can mix red and white together, making it pink. You don't have to copy it. You want to do that?
No,
See, like this one, it's red and white.
I don't need to copy.
Okay. You are copying it.
Okay, the way it's done. Now turn.
You want to do the sprinkles?
They're already looking beautiful. Now I might not do the sprinkles. Okay. How can I see the dots?
You'll see the dots.
Okay, so first I have to do brown. Except the red. I'm going to do 3 dots.
Okay.
So I did the dots.
You did the dots. That's good.
We just wait for this to dry. Tomorrow. Next is the cupcakes.
Move it over. Move it over. Do the cupcakes.
No, feel it soft.
I know.
The smells bad. So first is the top.
Okay, do the top.
I'm gonna do the strawberry. Well, it has strawberry on the head, so I'm using red to do the strawberry because strawberry is red.
And then you wanna mix the white and the red. I'll show you. Okay, put the white right here. More white. And put more white in there. Yeah, more. I'm mixing. Let me see. Right here. And then, hold on. I'm gonna do some here. Look, it's pink. No pink. Yeah, and then you can use that color.
Still no pink.
It's okay.
We
It's
tried
pink
our,
enough.
we tried our best.
Yeah, we tried that. That is all that mattered, right?
We did. I think we need some more pink. We need a lot of pink. So now with the green,
Green.
the same green that we did as the candy. And need some more green. I'm gonna put a lot of green down there. Tomorrow we have work.
Yeah, tomorrow Saturday.
Today is the best day ever with you.
Really?
How was it? Mom, how was my cupcake?
You still have circles. You still have white spots. You gotta fill in, remember?
I'm doing things to some new water.
Yeah.
Because it has a lot of trouble.
Is it?
Yeah.
Take color, I think.
Hey Mom, some of the candies are dry because the green one is dry and the red one is dry.
You gonna color the eyes for the candy? Is this dry?
No, because it doesn't like black.
No? Okay.
I think I need some more. We're making pink. Some a lot of white. That is a lot of white. That will be enough white.
Mm-hmm. That's enough. Mix it.
To color the eye. But that is a bright pink.
Okay, finish coloring.
So I will just color it over.
Color it over? Okay.
Yeah, because that doesn't even look like a pink. Need some more pink because I got the brown. So we have some more green. What you looking at?